good morning. Myself and my children, we are just packed because there is this market. Hi, baby girl. Hi. You guys make me so happy.
You make you so happy.
Yeah, you guys make me so happy.
Mommy,
but either ways, right, there's a market that happens in my street that I quickly want to check in because we need snails, we need other things, and my sister has told me to come to the market this morning and check for her because she wants to buy bulk snails that will be traveling abroad and other things. So let's go and check. I brought my children very early this morning so we can check this market. Talking about, like, the woman traveled from you guys keep quiet. I say customer. Let's go. Guys, I'm back from the mini market. This woman, I think I've mentioned her in my vlog before. She usually brings her things from is it Oshun? This bus you are seeing here that I showed you guys, right? They drive it very early in the morning from Oshun and they just line up in front of these streets and just begin to sell. The pieces of snails I bought for my sister and myself, 60 pieces, right? She sold it for me for about 24,000 naira. But I cannot break everything. My sister was saying that her chef left for December and did not come back, right? So she's getting a new chef, so there's nobody that can really break it, and I don't have that time to actually break this snail. Kama, where did you get that okra from? In your mouth. Don't put everything in your mouth. As I was saying, right, I can't actually break those snails. I can break, let's say, 20 pieces, but 120 pieces, I cannot break 120 pieces right now. I have a lot of things to do, and even if I say, okay, I want to push it to the evening, and no, she actually needs it today. So the woman is quite busy. The woman is blessed. So a lot of people are out there buying and shopping and buying. The woman is actually blessed. Fact, people attend to me, so Mommy Aliyah, everybody, Mommy Aliyah, everybody is buying Mommy Aliyah. So I dropped it with her. She will try and clean it up when people leave. She will try and clean it up, and she'll come by 12 to come and pick it. So yeah, good for me. But anyways, guys, you guys, let me show you. If I can't show you the snails, I'll show you the snails when I pick it up though. By then I'm sure they've. But I bought this size of pineapple for 2,500. I actually think that because this pineapple looks like it was literally just plucked, so I actually think that. And then I bought coconut as well. This coconut, she said 1,000 initially, but I ended up buying it for 800. I actually think that this woman has a farm, but when I come back to pick up, I would actually ask her, like, does she have a farm? Or, you know, because of course foodstuffs are cheaper in all these other rural cities than in this our Lagos. Foodstuffs are actually cheaper. She's selling plantain, what they call water leaf, just a lot of things that she's selling. But let me just be heading. I bought 2 of these pineapples, so as I'm driving by now, I'll give Auntie Onyo one of the pineapple. We just stop by her place.
I don't want to give Auntie Onyo.
Yeah, we have to give Auntie Onyo one of the pineapple.
Let's give it to her.
Yeah, you know, caring is sharing. But anyways, I'll see you guys.
A few moments later.
So now they drive all the way from that place, they come this side.
Around 2 o'clock.
Around 2 a.m. for morning.
I'm going to reach here at 4 o'clock.
Yeah. Shy. Now you and your husband. How many children? 5. Well done, no, sister me. No easy. Wow. I beg, if the alum remain, put for me, I beg.
9. 12.
The next day.
I go past, so then they know there's still going to close our. I say thank God. Now that time why so that they will shout. So that they will shout for the man. See what we go pay. Thank you. Mommy, how you doing?
Blended one, yes.
Yes. Blended one.
Help measurement.
Give me yellow pepper.
Cup.
Cup.
Okay, thank you.
But see crabs. Why is that fight? Why not? Connect it to you get sweet one. How you Hey guys, do you think I came to the market alone? My husband, I'm supposed to drop him somewhere because my car is not available. So I use this cab. I'm supposed to drop him off somewhere. So I just teased him. I say, let me come and buy 1 or 2 things before I head back to where I would drop him. And know that I've spent how many minutes in the market. You guys, did you see that clip where I was showing you that people were fighting in the market? You cannot just come to Nigerian market and you will not see 1 or 2 drama. I'm like, this one is just even New Year, like people have started fighting. But anyways, it's preparation for this children resumption of school, so I want to just make things available at home for them that, you know, especially their food. You guys know I don't joke with their food, but let's be going. Let me be going, not even let's be going. Thank you, love. Let me be going. I'll see you guys. You guys, I have been a victim of bitter abalumo. Like literally, I will ask them, even in my market vlog, I asked the lady, I said, is this sweet one? She said yes. 3 for 1,000. I said 3 for 1,000 abalumo. I said okay, no problem. She went and brought from another side. Now I am another victim. Just that I love this fruit so much. I think I'm just going to buy from Cotonou abalumo, because that one I know she's been supplying me abalumo and it's been sweet. But yeah, let's just get to cooking. I'm making oha and egusi soup, so let me just get to it. Tomorrow I'll do the remaining things.
Downstairs.
Papa.
Which one?
Let me tell you. Everyone be for you.
You didn't call me on the line. I'm calling you before I switched off. Maybe they keep asking them.
Wow.
Come in.
You guys, let me go and serve my husband his food. You use it and break it fast. Hey guys, I'm back from church. You know, we went to church today and I'm back from church. And before I end this vlog, right, you guys know that I'm not even gonna do my lifestyle, especially as I've decided to do vlogs, right? And you know, lifestyle vlogs. I'm not gonna do my lifestyle without God, and I'm not gonna do my channel without God. And I don't want you guys to do this year 2025, you know, without God. To be very honest with you, it's so easy for us to be carried away, especially in this our social media age where there is a lot of, I don't know, everybody has objective and opinions to the things of God, and there's just a lot of opinion and objections, right? You know, with men of God and pastors and whatnot. A lot of people will say, I stopped going to church. You guys go to bed, Kaito and Kaima. A lot of people will say, oh, I stopped going to church because this pastor did this. I stopped going to church because of the emphasis on tithing.
Hi.
Because of the emphasis on tithing and just a lot of things, you know. I stopped praying to God because of this, or this person did this to me and all. But I will just say to you guys, I'll take your milk, mommy. I'll just say to you guys, like, in this year 2025, do life with God. Part of the things that I wrote down on my, I was telling a friend, I was just in a friend, because significant things have been happening around me, you know, people falling sick and just a lot of things have been happening to me. And I was just in a friend how on the 31st of January, like, a job came for me, but I literally turned it down. And I said to myself that, you know, I've had so many blessings, you know, from the month of November to the month of December. I know that these are the things that I desire, but anything that would take me away from serving God, you know, especially with my family, I needed to cross over with my family, because this is my job sometimes, you know, especially for the capacity of job that I got, it will require me to cross over into 2025 in that venue, right? I'm not going to be with my family, I'm not going to be with my husband, I'm not going to hold hands with my husband and pray and declare, you know, concerning our 2025. So I turned it down. I turned it down, right? And I wrote something down significantly this year, and I said, dear Lord, I'm sure you guys cannot see, I said, dear Lord, forgive me of all my shortcomings and help me know you more. That's what I want to do this year. That's what I don't want to follow the bandwagon, because I've realized significantly in my life that when I make plans and involve God last, right, it's like, okay, okay. But when I genuinely say, Lord, I don't know what direction you are taking, I don't know what you want, I don't know, but I'm deciding to put you at the forefront of every of my situation, I realize that my prayer might not be answered visibly, like na in the way that I want it, but I begin to see in months, you know, months, weeks later, why, you know, God is actually taking the lead. Like I actually let him take the lead, and he just does his thing. Do you understand? So I'm just saying to you guys that before I end this vlog, please do your 2025 with God. Whichever channel you want to pray to connect to God, just do your 2025 with God. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and be excited for all the exciting vlogs that are coming to you this 2025. I'll see you guys in my next one.